Let's learn IIB. Today, I'll show you how to use encryption with IIB. DES algorithm is used for encrypting 64 bits at a time. After 1990, computational strength increased and we could brute force the answer in a reasonable amount of time. Instead of creating a new algorithm with new hardware and software, the way of retaining the strength of the encrypted data was to use three different keys K1, K2, K3, hence the name triple DES encryption. Here you see the algorithm used as DES, class from javax.crypto.cipher is used to access various encryption algorithms. You have to use JCN node to use cipher class from JDK. I have created a simple flow with JCN node and HTTP nodes. Here you see the output of triple DES algorithm encoded in base64. I have used base64 encoder from COM IBM MISC package to encode the output of triple DES algorithm. I have used HTTP endpoint to invoke this functionality. This is how you would invoke a JCN node, read input from payload with HTTP, and create an XML NSC message for output. Input is read from MB message class. Output is written into MB message class. Follow my coding sample by downloading the source code from GitHub repository. Link in video description.